Okay, so this is experiment 33. It's the oxidation of a diol. We're using hypochlorous acid to oxidize this diol. The possible products are these three. You can either oxidize both, oxidize the primary alcohol, or oxidize the secondary alcohol. So think about what you might see in both an NMR and IR for those three products. Okay, so what I have set up here is 1 ml of 2-ethyl 1,3-hexane diol, 2.5 mils of glacial acetic acid in the round bottom flask, and then 15 mils of household bleach. So what I'm going to do now is set up the addition funnel to add the bleach slowly, and I'm aiming for adding it in roughly 15 minutes. Okay, so now I have a TLC running, which is finished up. Now what I'll do is stain that with PAA. I also, every once in a while, will be testing the reaction mixture to make sure there is excess hypochlorite by taking some starch iodide paper and dipping a glass rod into the solution so there's a drop on it, and dabbing it onto the starch iodide paper. So now that the reaction is finished, it had run for 45 minutes and I had checked TLC at 15 and 30 minutes. I basified it with concentrated sodium hydroxide and added sodium chloride until the solution was saturated. So now I'm going to decant it into a set funnel and extract it 3 times with ether. So now I will show a step of the extraction. So I have 10 mils of diethyl ether. I will add it to the reaction mixture. I will stopper it, and then with very frequent venting, because ether is very volatile, I will shake it and then drain first the aqueous layer and then the organic layer into 2 separate containers, and then wash the combined ether layer with sodium chloride, saturated sodium chloride, and then dry it with sodium sulfate.